Today, I'm going to show you how to install Projectman on your repository or project folder. You can find it via the link provided in the Python library or by searching Google for Projectman. Our GitHub repo or official website should appear on the first page of the search results. If you click through to our GitHub page, you can see the latest updates, the number of stars, and the installation guide. First, we need to install it in our terminal using pip install projectman. If you already have it installed, you can upgrade to the latest version. I'll copy this command and paste it into my terminal. Since I already have it installed, it shows requirement already satisfied. Next, I'll open my IDE, in this case Claude Code, where I have a demo project set up for this demonstration. You can also open the terminal here and run pip install projectman to ensure it's installed in this environment. Now, we need to initialize projectman. In the terminal, simply type pgm init. This will generate the configuration details for your repository setup. To configure the MCP server, copy this output. You can add this configuration to your IDE settings under Developer Tools by editing the JSON file. Alternatively, you can ask the AI to help. I'll paste the initialization output and ask, I just installed Projectman. Could you please help me set up the MCP server? The AI can configure everything for you automatically, so you don't have to do it manually. Once the MCP server setup is complete, we need to fully restart the IDE. I'll close Claude Code and reopen it to apply the changes. After restarting, you can verify the setup by going to your developer settings. You should see that the Projectman MCP server is running. If it isn't showing up, you can ask the AI to fix the installation and configure the MCP server properly. Now, let's test if our MCP server is working. I'll ask the AI, can you tell me about the project? I recently installed Projectman. The MCP server will start scanning the project structure, reading the code, the README, and other files to gather information. Everything is working as planned. Every fix and update will be captured by this tool. That's it for the installation. In the next video, I'll show you how to log bugs, track issues, and apply fixes. Thank you.